What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Bronco. Today we're going to have a quick little install of a new phone mount. So hopefully this video doesn't have too much wind noise. It is super windy here today, but I haven't made a video in a couple weeks, so I wanted to put one up. I have a bunch of parts waiting. It's just the weather has not been friendly, so I haven't been able to work on it, but we're going to try to get this installed. So I went with this Maker off-road phone holder. The reason that I like this one so much is that almost every single part of it is all metal. It's all like black powder coated aluminum, so it's really high quality. It's not all plastic and cheap. I did get this one off of Amazon. I believe it was $31.50, and I will drop the link down below. But again, this is a really nice phone mount that is mostly metal. You can see they actually package it really nice, and it should have everything that you need. The only problem with this one is it does not come with any type of instructions. There is a install video on the website, but there's no instructions included with the kit. But so this is what we have here. You have your actual base plate, which you can see this thing is heavy. Like, this whole thing weighs a couple pounds, and it is all aluminum with a nice black finish. It's all metal and super honkery. So that is the base plate. It mounts right here on the grab handle. You're going to remove your existing screws here, and then it comes with new bolts, because I don't think these ones would be long enough, so you're going to have to swap them for this. Then this is going to mount right here, just like so. Then we're going to attach the couple other pieces, and we'll get our phone put on there. So let's get to the install. All right, guys, so there you have it. We have it all installed. You can see here, it's super sturdy. So, and it's fully adjustable. You could just loosen this up a little bit here, and you can angle it here. You can move it up more. And then you also can utilize this hole here as well if you want to change the angle of the mount or where you want it to line up. So this, I figured, was good. It'll have the phone face me perfectly, just like that. So this is where I like it. The only thing the kit doesn't include, which I wish it did, was a bolt or screw to fill this in, or some type of cap. So it looks a little bare with that being there. I mean, when your phone is in it, it blocks it anyway. So I guess it's really not a big deal. But otherwise, there's a hole there. So what I'm going to do is just take one of the factory screws, and I'll line up the threads on it, and I'll go try to find a little bolt that I can put in there so it covers up that hole and doesn't make it look as bad. But other than that, I think it's a really nice piece for 30 bucks. Like I said, it's mostly metal. It's really, really sturdy, and this just slides open like that, and you can select what orientation, if you want it to slide that way or you want it to slide this way. So hopefully you guys like this video. Be sure to check it out. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Bronco content.